so we just made a wrong turn, right? Came off this road, off the main road. And I'm saying like, babe, turn back. You see me? Watch that, look like I even want grave right now, and look where you're going, guys. This to me remind me of like a wrong turn movie.
A few moments later.
You see, when you get lost, you find some of the best things, trust me.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Hi guys, welcome back to the island family, my island tribe.
Blessings.
How are you all going?
Yes, today.
So today guys, we're going to be going on a trip down to the fishing, to go fishing I should say. And
a fishing trip.
A fishing trip, yeah. And Bobo, as you can see behind me here, he's fallen asleep.
Knock out right now.
Yep, so he'll wake up shortly and probably want some snacks.
Yeah.
So yeah guys, so join us on this adventurous day.
Because I'm stuck here by myself, the Shell service station's got an automatic one over there.
I usually come here and get the...
No, that's fine, that's fine. I use that one myself.
Really? Sorry guys for that. The guy wanted me to go down to the service station to get my tyres pumped up myself. Now, I was told by a professional, also a mechanic, telling me not to get them done there because apparently they don't read, the meter doesn't read properly when you're pumping your tyres. This is the reason why I come to get my tyres pumped at the mechanics.
Yeah.
Anyways, whatever. My bad, guys. For that little thing you just saw, we just had to move on from that. Anyways, yeah guys, so join us today, and I don't even know what else we were talking about.
Yeah, so as we were saying earlier, you know, it's a fishing trip, you know, so very excited, you know. Hopefully we land some nice fish today. You know, we're praying and hoping the weather is good because we don't know as yet either. So yeah, we're very excited, and I know you all are. So stay tuned, guys.
Yes, guys, let's do it.
We on the roll now.
Let's go now.
Yo nunca he visto una mujer más hermosa como tú. He caminado por todo el mundo y nunca he visto ninguna como tú, ninguna como tú, ninguna como tú. Baby girl, I've never seen a girl like you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you.
So we had to bait shop, get a few things, and then head off to where we going.
Okay, no te preocupes. Alright, I think I found it.
Okay,
Un beso, ciao.
Fraser's Reef.
Yeah, they have a reef there, but...
So we're going through half the main now, guys.
Douche.
And yeah, we got a bit lost, to be honest, but
We're still a bit lost.
yeah, we're hoping we're at the right place.
Hoping, praying, fingers crossed.
Yeah, because GPS threw us off at one point.
Oh God, yeah. Don't trust GPS sometimes, never right.
Yep, I remember what it done to us in Jamaica.
Oh God, yeah.
Send us way in the ghetto. Way down in Trench Town.
Yeah, I know, it took us in Trench Town for real.
Yeah. It's nice, these trees come over though. You can hear the birds, the nature sound. It's
beautiful.
Yeah, it's nice. Guys, look down what we stumble upon. Kangaroos.
Kangaroo!
These are just out here in the wild.
That's a boy, he's got testicles.
Oh my god. So cute.
Oh, do you see that car looking at us?
Yeah.
Sorry.
That's the first time seeing them in the wild now.
This is not where we're going, but look at the beach behind there. Why?
Because I've seen videos, well, that you have shown from TikTok where they invade people's home.
Hi!
Hello, kangaroo. Hey, I have chippies for you.
They're itchy, they're always scratching themselves.
Yeah.
What do they have,
I have chippies. Hey. Good day, mate. How are ya? Good day, mate. Are they aggressive? The ones out in the wild?
Laughing at, g'day, mate.
Do you think the ones out here they are aggressive? What? Look at him!
Yeah.
Look at him go! Hey!
They all follow.
Yeah. Look at how they hop!
Don't mess with me.
Kangaroo!
Don't mess with me. Bobo, don't mess with me.
This is so nice to see you guys.
Wow, they have like caravan parks here.
Yeah.
Hire a caravan and go and sleep there.
I swear, this is when you get lost, you find some of the best things, trust me. Yeah. Welcome to Iluka.
All the time I try, we got lost so many times.
This is packed.
Yeah, I think this is it.
No exclusive for us.
Yeah, it will be. Yeah, this is the one.
The ocean is there, guys. There, guys.
Yeah, the rocks are just up there.
Oh. Yeah. Go on. Go on. Let's go. Come on.
Let's go.
Papa Island, Papa Island. Island boy. Here we go. Yeah. Woo-hoo. Island boy. Oh. Guys, it might be windy. So, you know it is with the hardier thing. But, yeah.
Can we walk down that way?
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, so this is the reef. Fish off the rocks, but the waves them huge.
You can fish in the just there. There's a lot of fish just there
yeah,
in the mouth
shallow,
there. Yeah,
the shallow part there.
lots of fish there.
Yeah.
That's where we caught the tiger shark, guys.
Okay.
It was pretty big.
Yeah, so you and your dad came here like more than once?
Twice. I've come twice here.
Yeah, and that's
but I
been
kind of
years.
forgot. It was a few years ago, but I forgot like the way.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we finally found it, guys.
You just have to be careful because it could be snakes taking sun.
Oh shoot.
Black
Oh, they
snakes.
come out in summer, you say?
Yeah, they come out just to take sun. They don't harmless unless
Yeah.
you harm them.
Unless you probably didn't realize and step on one or something.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Alright guys.
So you can fish out this way here too.
Yeah.
Which is absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, look like a good spot, especially when it's calm. Look
Yeah.
like a good spot to fish off the rocks.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Birds out there having a sun bath.
And like Bobo can just sort of swim around in the area.
Yeah, in the
here.
shallow.
Yeah,
Yeah.
in the shallow parts of the.
Looks nice.
Yeah.
The first time I see the ocean actually this calm since I've been here too.
Sure.
Yeah, because the other beach that we went
Wanna
was
walk
really
now?
windy. Oh yeah. I like it here, babe.
Yeah, it's nice, huh? He likes it here, guys.
You can tell too probably when tide get high it reach all the way up here.
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Island definitely cannot walk here barefoot
Yeah.
because you can tell some sharp oysters and shells.
Absolutely beautiful. Oh, look, babe, someone's been eating crab.
Probably the satay crab.
Possibly. Look at this, guys. We're getting closer to the water. You alright with bubble, babes?
Yeah.
Ooh, water cold. Look at the beautiful shells.
Yeah.
Ooh, water warm there.
The mirror almost look like whales.
What's that?
I think we have in Jamaica that people eat, but it looks similar to wilks, but it's not.
Show.
Yeah. It almost looks similar to wilks that we have in Jamaica that some people eat it. Yeah. I've ate it before too and it's very nice.
Wow.
Yeah. But this is not it anyway.
Alright. I like to get close up there. Not.
Don't get too close though, those waves.
I know. I know. And all of a sudden, bang, she goes down with the rocks, guys. Wow. Wow, guys, look at that. No oysters in here, so we can peel off. No. What do you reckon?
Yeah, it's
Let's
nice.
fish on?
Yeah.
Fish on or not?
Yeah.
We'll walk down there.
Yeah, we'll go down that way.
These are different, these seagulls. Oh yes, baby.
Boys.
Got a thumbnail.
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 Island.
Island.
Wave. Wave.
Babe, here sometimes you can find crabs lingering.
Or legal size, or legal bag and size limits for saltwater species. Okay. Interesting, guys. It's good to know these things, you know?
All right, let's get our gears ready and let's hit the road, Jack. No, let's hit fishing.
We
Huh?
have everything out the car now. Everybody have something to carry. See that? Little Bobo have something carrying too. Yeah, man, it's a vibe, guys. Let's go. Alright,
no, you gotta carry
that.
it.
You carry it. Come on, let's go.
Carry it, Bubba.
Bringing this. You know about that?
You want to finish this trip, babe?
You need the rocks to hold it in place.
Sure.
Yeah. Hold this, let me show me can. I don't even see the smaller rocks around either.
How's the water, Bubba? Woo! So guys, as Babe is, just let me clean the lens. As Babe is out in the ocean trying to catch some fish over there, I'm here with Bubba in a small part of some water, and he's just had a little dip in. So yeah, we're just chilling, guys. You know what it is, beautiful Saturday evening, or actually afternoon, evening. And yeah, we've got no rush or haste to be anywhere. So we're just here chilling. Woo! And that's what we're doing. And hopefully Babe gets some fish. Otherwise, I think I'm gonna be the fish catcher. We'll see how we go. We can't really do much fishing with Bobo around because, you know, it's dangerous, as you can see, and there's, you know, but I feel much more safer around the rocky area than being out in the ocean where there's no flags, just because of sharks and all that sort of stuff. But I feel much more confident around here at this stage. Yeah, so I don't know if Babe wants to go there later and do some fishing off the sand bay over there, but this beach is called Iluka. It's tucked away in New South Wales, or northern New South Wales, where we are. So you know, there's lots of activities you can do around here. There's camping, there's all that sort of stuff here. But as you know, we're not selling anything or upscaling products or anything like that. We're just, you know, having a good family day out, and we all want you to, you know, enjoy. So guys, yeah, so that's what it is. Basically, it's just a beautiful place to come and do some fishing and just have a really nice, look at this, wow! Just some really a nice family day out. So I hope you guys enjoy the content that we're bringing you, and you know, I'm hoping sooner or later there's going to be some you know, other outside of New South Wales traveling or outside of casino traveling. You know, that's our plan. Our plan is to do a bit of traveling around Australia first. You know, because we're adventurous and we like to go out and have a really good time and enjoy ourselves. You know, that's what life is all about. You know, I've realized, I hope you can hear me with the wind. I've realized lately that life is so short that we need to embrace and enjoy what we have left on this earth, because you just never know what tomorrow may bring. You know, with this pandemic, it's kind of, you know, made me awake in a sense where we need to appreciate the small things in life and, you know, obviously succeed within the things you want to do in life that make you happy. What makes you happy is the most enduring thing in life. Okay guys, so I hope that kind of resonates, or you know, with some of you people. As you can see, Bobo is having a mad time and I'm having just the greatest time, just standing here in the middle of the ocean filled with rocks and birds, as you can see, and little Bobo here having the time of his life. And that's what we want to see. We want to see family enjoying themselves to the fullest, because we just don't know what tomorrow may bring. Yeah, and Bobo just had a dip in the water. All right, mister. What? Ah, the water's cold. What do you mean, man? Babies don't really feel the cold as we do, guys. So I'll make sure that I have a towel here for a little island and all of the good things, you know? Yeah. So guys, I don't know if Babe's shown you, today we bought some worms and some pilchards. Yep. Pardon me. So yeah, there are some crabs here, guys. I think there's some crabs. Hang on. I just seen a crab. Hold up. Oh my God, there's a crab there. Oh my God, there's a crab there. There's a crab there. Look, 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 look. Hello, little crab. Hello, little crab. Hello, little crab. You my friend, little crab. I'm your friend, little crab. Hello, little crab. Hey. All right. Yeah, guys, see? Smiles. So guys, Baby's back here. I didn't think that, I was trying to fix the GoPro before and we had a little malfunction with the GoPro, guys. Anyways, I think it's time for a new GoPro. Maybe?
New different brand camera if we're gonna buy another camera.
True, true, he's got a point. So guys, Bobo's having a little rest. He's fallen asleep on us, guys. So he was nicely tucked away on my chest, and I put him down for a bit because, you know, Mum needs a little bit of breathing space. But I love it. I love when he falls asleep on me, guys. It's a beautiful feeling, you know. It is.
And I'm like,
and he's like, I'm done with fishing for the day.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, Bobo. I just made a noise. Oh, shuka 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 shuka.
It was amazing to see like people playing cricket on the beach. I'm like, this reminds me of Jamaica, because you know, cricket is a thing that we play in Jamaica. So
yeah, down there. Oh, they're packed up.
They packed up. But yeah, it's amazing to see people play cricket here. I mean, I know it's a sport here, you know. Right, so we're about to leave this place. Probably go at a different location, you know. We chill here for a bit, you know. So it's time to go to the next part. I just wish the ocean would be much calmer, because as I said, that's some good fishing spots out at the open ocean there. But you know, it's very windy. It's very the waves are huge, so it's very hard to fish from there. But this is a very nice spot, you know. in what's it called again? Iluka. Yeah, Iluka Beach. Yeah, so it's very nice here, guys. I love it. Nice vibe. Yeah. So yeah, man. We also taking up our trash because you know we don't leave these things behind. Not gonna make it any worse, right? Yeah, man. I get these along with Bobo Nappy. Alright, tribe, so we just stopped at a fish shop. Well, like a
Founder? The fish is Founder. It's
Fish
called
is
Founder
okay.
something.
Yeah, so we get fish and chips. Yeah. This is what we have, and I don't know the name of what kind of fish they do and things like that, but yeah.
And there's a black bird.
Scary looking, look at you. Quack quack. What's up? You want some? Take a bite. Yeah, guys. So we came at a different location which we're gonna try to fish from here. Yeah, so that's what's up. There are some people swimming across over there as well. Yeah, so they have like the trawler boats over there. Yeah, trawler boats and things. So that's where those boats are like where they do the commercial fishing, you know? Commercial fisherman. You want chippy? Here. What? They're vicious. I can't believe they even eat the chips. Let's see if they're gonna fight for this one. Okay. There they go. They swallow it really fast. I swear. The feet is so red, they look like it's actually painted, that's how it looks. Mind taking it from me? Take it from me. Come on. Okay, they're having a fight. Okay, they're going at it. Okay. Okay. Whoa, he's ignorant. That one is really ignorant. Oh, let me give them a few. This is the last amount you guys getting, okay? So share it wise. So I want to show you guys something that we have, right? Something I just saw in the car a while ago. Right here, guys, we have an iguana. Oh, it's scared of me. So I don't have to run from it then. Oh, look at it. Oh, there's two of them. There's another one right there as well, guys. And I did saw another one down here. Yeah. It's a smaller one right in between those little trees.
It's been such a beautiful Saturday. I love this sort of thing, guys. This is just amazing, really. It's beautiful to have your husband home and, you know, family as one. It's just me, you know. I love family time. I love adventures. I love going out and doing all these sort of things. So it's a vibe, guys. This is beautiful. Absolutely. Oh gosh, this is absolutely beautiful. Go run to daddy, run. I'm gonna go home soon because it's starting to get late. And I bought some crabs as well, guys. I should have taken you in the fish shop. They do really nice fish there. Small cummer here. Come here, Island. That's a good fishing rod, huh? It's a very smooth sailing one.
But not really getting a bite, nothing too lively. So just, as you know, fishing takes a lot of patience. You know? The big fish are lady, guys.
Took your bait, man.
What the hell? They stole my bait. Really?
That's why I'm gonna throw it out there.
That's not gnarly. Ain't that right, Bobo?
Jeez, look at this fisherman here. You don't know. Bobo. Island. Island is a boy that loves to dance. Island is a boy that loves to sing. Island, 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 island. Island, 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 island. Hooray! Yay! It's your island boy! But mommy can't sing the lyrics as good as daddy. That's the problem. My Bobo, my Bobo, my Bobo, yeah. He might get you in a trouble. Ooh, oh, yeah. My Bobo is trouble in a rubble. What'd you pick up? Yucky. What that? Aw, flower? A feather? Oh, you blew away, money. You blew away. Gidgy boss. Island's gonna drive us home, guys. Island, you gonna drive us home? Yeah? We're going home, Bobo? Let's drive home. Broom, broom. You ready? We're gonna play song, music for Lou. We're gonna play some music for Lou. Very good, you boss. We are wrapping it up for today.
Yeah, man.
It has been a beautiful day.
Beautiful. Enjoy the day. Trust me, it was fun.
It was
relaxing.
nice, relaxing.
See it and just new experience again. You know, so yeah, didn't catch any fish today, which was a little disappointment, but at the same time I know that's how fishing is.
Yeah.
So yeah, probably better luck next time, and at least it give me a chance to also practice my casting, you know, because I, as you know, learning to cast my rod, and I'm getting much better at it.
Yeah.
You see? So yeah, today was really fun.
It was fun.
Yeah, so,
it was beautiful
yeah.
to get out and get out of the house,
Yeah,
really.
man, definitely.
Yeah. And there's Bobo Island.
Bobo, say hello.
Island, bye.
Say bye to the island tribe. Say bye to your tribe.
Bye. He's giving you all guys a smile. Well, guys, it's a wrap for today.
Yeah,
So stay tuned for another one of these beautiful days out with us.
yeah, and if you guys enjoyed this video, if you made it this far, please leave a thumbs up. Yeah, and if you don't like the video, drop down in below. Let us know why.
Why don't you like it?
Yeah, if you are the person that leave a dislike, let us know why you leave a dislike. Yeah, man.
Alright, guys. Blessings.
Alright.
Take care now.
Bless up, guys. Whoa. Guys, I'm looking here. We just passed and see some fish traps.
They made it still.
It's the same mesh wire, but it's a bigger wire, and they make the funnel kind of similar to how we make it. But yeah, I'm surprised to see this, because I know I've only seen like crab traps in Australia. I don't know if it's illegal.
Crab traps there?
That's why I'm wondering, like, is it crab traps? For the Australians or anyone that knows in general, let us know, because I don't know if you can actually have fish traps in Australia, as far as I know. But yeah, let's go.
Interesting.
Let's go before we get shot.
Because they got crab traps there. I think little baby ones.
Wow. Yeah, they have a few boats over there.
Ah.
That's interesting.
Well, there you go.
Yeah, man. So we just made a wrong turn, right? Came off this road, off the main road. And I'm saying, like, babe, turn back. You see me? Watch that. Look like I even want grave right now, and look where you're going, guys. This to me remind me of like a wrong turn movie. You see me? Go deeper and deeper in the woods. What's going on here? What is this? That's like a swamp, babe. Where they I go deeper and deeper in the woods.
There's a house over there.
Yes, that's the wrong turn man house.
Oh, shit.
First he's gonna punch our tire on the road, right? And then you're gonna come out, and then all of a sudden a arrow fly through. Psh. You understand? That's what happened in the wrong turn movie anyway.
Someone home?
So why are we gonna invade the people's home?
We're not going to invade it. Wow, it's building. What did I tell you, babe?
in there for what?
What do you think? No, someone actually lives there.
They're gonna be like, who the hell come into my
Oh,
home,
God.
into my property? Someone gonna come with a raffle, you know?
Yeah, we did the wrong turn.
Yep, we did the wrong turn and you decided to go deeper and deeper into the wrong turn.
This is the song. Deeper, Rasta should be deeper. Woy-yoy-yoy. We must take care of each other. Deeper, Rasta should be deeper.
There's a road go all the way down there. Warning. What's that?
Really?
It says, yeah.
Persecuted.
Yeah, it's on more, seem more like a trespasser.
Well, we got lost. Yeah, it takes you like really into the woods.
Yeah, it goes deeper there if you see
It
that
goes
road.
deeper.
Yep.
No one lives in that house, babe.
Oh my
Maybe we should
god.
claim it.
Yeah, we should. You can.
That's what it's called, Mororo Creek Nature Reserve. So there's, it's like a
Ah. Okay.
something. I'm gonna look into it. Look into it on Google.